What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Big Mark Adventures. How's everybody doing today? Just a little short video today. I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like in Virginia at the moment before this huge storm system comes in sometime tomorrow. Like I said, I'm not a meteorologist or anything, but I do sometimes, or when I can, I will follow the weather. And I just want to let you guys know what it looks like out here in Richmond, VA today. So right now, it's not really, it's a little, got some high clouds out here, but nothing major. But I think all the cloud coverage will start rolling in later this evening and tonight. And since the temperatures tomorrow and Thursday are going to be pretty much below freezing the whole day, the snow that hits will stick to the ground. Channel 12, I think, saying it's all going to be that dry, fluffy snow, that powdery snow, not that wet, heavy snow. So when that hits the ground, it's going to pretty much, stick immediately. Because I think the high temperature tomorrow is supposed to only be like 27 degrees. And I think it's going to be like that Thursday as well. So it's going to snow all day, pretty much all day Wednesday and into about midday Thursday. So just right now, it's nothing. It's cold out, pretty cool outside right now, about 38 degrees. So that's where we're at right now. And at the same time, I figure I just take you for a little ride to see what's going on out here today. Why not? It'll probably start snowing by the time I get off work tomorrow. Probably a little earlier than that. They're calling for the snow to start about sometime after 7 o'clock in the morning. Maybe sometime 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, it was supposed to start snowing. So by the time I get off work, it should already be coming out on the ground pretty well. And I'll probably do a vlog tomorrow and just drive around with the snow on the ground and just see how the road conditions are. I'm sure it's going to be pretty bad. No ice in the forecast on this one. All snow precipitation. At least that's what they're calling for. Anywhere south of Richmond, Petersburg, going actually towards the beach, Emporia, Wakefield, all these counties and cities down south of Richmond are going to get the brunt of it. About 6 to 12 inches. I think the central Virginia, the metro, Chesterfield, I want to say 3 to 6 maybe. But that can change still. Not all weathermen are accurate on what they're forecasting. So something can always change. Just keep that in mind. Time recording this video, it is Tuesday. Like I said, the storm doesn't roll in until Wednesday morning and into Thursday. Virginia hasn't had a good snowstorm in years. I think the last blizzard we had was probably back when I was in high school, to be honest with you. I think back in 96, 97, sometime in that area. We had that huge blizzard that rolled through here. And ever since then, there's some years that we might get some snow here and there. A few inches on the ground, nothing major. But they're forecasting tomorrow to be one of the biggest ones we had in a while. Not the biggest one, but at least maybe one of them. Maybe. We'll see how it looks tomorrow, I guess. So no thick clouds yet. As a matter of fact, you still see some clear streaks in the skies, as you can see on the video. Right now, not too much going on out here. Come on, dude. Oh, moron. Moronic Virginia drivers. I swear, people in Virginia cannot drive. I can assure you there's going to be plenty of accidents tomorrow. Not the fact because it's going to snow tomorrow. I mean, it's going to be accidents for sure, but for the most part, just people around here cannot drive. time we get off the exit of 288, it sounds like you have a flat tire. I think it's the way the concrete is. I don't know what it is. Looks like they already started the pre-treating process on these roads. Like it's really going to help because it's going to be below freezing. Still going to stick. I guess it might help out a little bit, but look, if you got temperatures that's going to be below freezing all day, pretty much all day tomorrow, tonight into tomorrow and into Thursday, with the precipitation coming down, you know, you can more likely, I can assure you it's going to stick. Unlike the snow we had, what, about a week or so ago? About a week ago? Where it didn't really stick to the roads because it was raining at first, and when it hit, it just kind of turned to slush and just washed out pretty much. It started sticking to the grassy areas when we drove out west. Nothing going on so far. Normal road conditions today. Normal traffic flow so far. So I go in the food line, get a couple things. I'll end the vlog at food line. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and just tell you guys about 24 hours ahead of the storm what the road conditions out in the Chesterfield, Richmond area are like. What they've done to the roads or anything. Don't look like they pre-treated like Route 10 or anything. Look like it was just like the major highway so far. They probably end up doing it today. Like I'm assuming. And I can assure you 1,000%, schools are gonna be closed the rest of the week. You can take that to the bank. You see a snowflake flying around the air, they're going to go to a 2-hour delay for the next day. Then all of a sudden they're going to change their mind and say, oh, yeah, well, school's going to be closed. So watch your local news channel and keep an eye on the updates on schools school closings and business closings and things like that. Some businesses ain't going to close regardless. Hey, you can set off a nuclear bomb and they're not going to close. So yeah, after I get off work tomorrow, I'll probably drive around for a little bit and shoot some pictures and I'll probably shoot a vlog tomorrow. And I'll pretty much post it in real time. It'll probably be posted the same day because I want you to see the video and be like, oh, this video was shot today. I don't want you to think I shot it about a week ago and just posted it on the channel. No, when I shoot the video tomorrow, it's going to be posted on the channel tomorrow. At least later that day. Because I like to show my stuff in real time. I'll be coming up on Food Line in the next minute or two because I'm kind of close by the house. Getting ready to pull in. God almighty. So that's going to pretty much come to the end of this vlog today. Just stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. I'll get some shots out on the roads for y'all tomorrow. See how, let y'all know what the road conditions are looking like. So yeah, we'll see you next time, guys, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Take care, guys.